Alright, on to the next problem. Take, distribute, 11 times 4 is 44. 11 times a minus 11a minus 4a plus a squared. Combine those two middle terms. And there we go. Take the 2, I'm going to distribute it to the left, 2y plus 6. Take the 2, distribute it to the left, 2x minus 4y. This one, very dangerous. Very dangerous. You will be tempted to square these two middle numbers. Do not square the two middle numbers. It is not the accurate answer. Rewrite this equation as p squared minus 1 times itself. Dangerous problem. Take it and distribute it like normal after you've rewritten it. This will give us p4 minus p squared plus 1. So we'll get p4 minus 2p squared plus 1. Dangerous problem. Rewrite this type of problem out the long way or you will get it wrong. Terrible days. Right here, I've got m squared minus 6m plus 6m minus 36. These two will cancel, leaving me m squared minus 36. 3k times 3k is 9k squared. 3k times 1 is 3k. Minus 3k minus 1. When I go back on the other side, these two terms will cancel, leaving me 9k squared minus 1. 46. 4x times 4x is 16x squared. 4x times negative 7y is negative 28xy. We've got plus 28xy. We've got minus 49y squared. These two will cancel, leaving me only 16x squared minus 49y squared. That's a 16. This one, number 47, number 48, they are long problems. Make sure you write neatly. Make sure you watch your positive and negatives. You're just taking it, distributing it to all three terms. Y cubed plus 5y squared minus 4y. That's distributing the first term. When I take the 3 out, plus 3y squared plus 15y minus 12. Combine up what's the same. There are no other y cubes. I've got 5y squared. I'm going to add 3 more, so plus 8y squared. I've got negative 4y and positive 15y, so plus 11y. And then, of course, my minus 12 here at the finish. Number 48, take the 3 in and distribute it. 15 n cubed plus 9 n squared p minus 6 n p squared. Let's take in the first one. Distributing my negative p. I've got minus 5 n squared p plus 3 mp squared and then minus 2p cubed. Again, you want to go through, it's a plus. Plus, and this one will be minus. Watching those negatives, very important, because you can get caught up in going fast. So make sure we're watching those signs very closely. So this one's minus, this one's plus. From here, we're just combining things that are the same. 15 n cubed, no other n cubed. 9 n squared p. So I'm looking for n squared p. Here it is. 9 minus 5 will give me 4 n squared p. I've got minus 6 np squared. So minus 6 and minus 3 means minus 9 np squared. And then, of course, my plus 2p cubed there at the finish. All right, my square problem. We've got a square. It's got a side that's 2x plus 3. And so here we go. Here's my square. 2x plus 3 by 2x plus 3. How do I get any area for any square? I take the side, I multiply it by itself. So I've got 2x plus 3 times 2x plus 3 is equal to, we've got 4x squared plus 6x plus 9. So 4x squared plus 12x plus 9. This is the area of my square. The area of a rectangle is 25h cubed k7. I've got a length of 5h squared k4. If I need to know this other side here, I'm going to take and divide my area by this length and I can get that other side. So I've got 25h cubed k7 over 5h squared k4. 25 divided by 5 is 5. h cubed divided by h squared is h, and k7 divided by k4 is k3. That's it, and that's this page. Be very careful with those positive and negatives, and make sure we're combining things with the exact same variables, the exact same exponential values.